In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Paperform to Activecampaign. This is a simple way to automatically send form submissions into your email marketing system so your contact list stays updated without any manual copying and pasting. To get started, open your form inside the Paperform editor using Chrome. Once you're in the editor, look for the After Submission area, then open Integrations and Webhooks. This is where Paperform lets you connect your form to external tools and automate what happens after someone fills it out. If you're setting this up for the first time, take a moment to make sure your form fields are already in place, especially the ones for contact details, since those will be used in the connection. Next, from the Available Service Connections panel, select Activecampaign. This tells Paperform which platform you want to send your form data to. The integration panel will then open and guide you through the connection process. Now you'll need to authenticate your account using your Activecampaign API URL and API key. These details allow Paperform to securely communicate with your Activecampaign account. Be sure to paste them carefully into the correct fields. If something doesn't connect right away, it's usually worth double checking for any extra spaces or formatting issues before trying again. Once your account is connected, choose the action you want the integration to perform. In this case, select Create or Update Contact. This is a very useful option because it helps prevent duplicates. If the contact already exists, their record can be updated. If they're new, a new contact will be created automatically. After that, link your form's email and name fields to the matching properties in your Activecampaign list. This step is important because it tells the system exactly where each piece of form data should go. Make sure the email field maps to the email property and the name field maps to the correct name field in Activecampaign. Accurate field mapping helps keep your contact data clean and organized. When everything looks correct, click Save to activate the integration pipeline. At that point, your form and Activecampaign account will be connected, and future submissions can be sent through automatically based on the setup you've created. That's it. Once saved, it's a good idea to submit a test entry so you can confirm that the contact appears correctly in Activecampaign. This helps you catch any field matching issues early and make sure your integration is working smoothly from the start.